My name is Ilaria Sani. I'm assistant professor at the Department of Basic Neurosciences at the University of Geneva. I'm originally from Florence, in Italy, where I did my undergraduate studies in biology and biomedical sciences. I then obtained my PhD in neuroscience from the University of Verona, and then I moved to the Rockefeller University in New York for my postdoctoral studies. Recently, I joined the University of Geneva, first working in collaboration with Professor Patrick Vieme, and later, thanks to the SNSF starting grant, I started my own independent lines of research. My field of research is visual and cognitive neurosciences. We are interested in understanding how the brain processes all the complex information that we receive from the outside world, and how, based on our goals and internal state, it selects only the relevant information for our behavior. We call this cognitive process visual selective attention, and we are particularly interested in how attention selects objects, as in the modern society we are literally bombarded by objects. We are always holding a phone, typing on a keyboard, and even drive large objects such as cars. For example, reading the time on a clock or looking at the driver's eyes before crossing the street rely on the quick recognition of object identity, on the fine estimation of object's location, and on the precise understanding of the intrinsic spatial configuration of those objects. These simple and seemingly effortless actions require several brain areas to work together and several cellular mechanisms to be implemented so that we can actually perform these tasks. These brain networks and these mechanisms remains yet mysteries in neuroscience. Thanks to the support of the state-of-the-art facilities of the Department of Basic Neurosciences and the Faculty of Medicine, we will combine different approaches to measure brain structure and function of healthy humans, brain-damaged patients, and animal models, while they engage in complex behavior ranging from symbol discrimination to immersive virtual reality. With an international and multidisciplinary team, we will test the novel hypothesis that there is a multifunctional cognitive area in the temporal lobe, in the ventral part of the brain, that is able to gather information about object identity, location, internal configuration, and that can coordinate object-based attention. The existence of a cognitive area in the temporal lobe will engender a significant conceptual shift in current neuroscientific models of attention and of the visual system at large. By combining cutting-edge technologies within both basic research and clinical settings, we will provide new quantitative behavioral and neural biomarkers for the study, diagnosis, prognosis, and perhaps rehabilitation of conditions where attention is seriously impaired.